Hey guys, Jeff here. Just a quick State of the Union after the Jay Powell super hawkish speech at the Jackson Holes. Holes. It's one hole. I don't know why I said holes plural, but yeah, maybe there's a bunch of a-holes there. But yeah, he gave a speech there, incredibly hawkish. Market hates it. Market's been getting smacked on the back of it. 75 basis points at the next meeting is up almost 100% guaranteed. Uh, he said there's going to be pain. There's going to be that just a hawkish speech. The market got ahead of itself. I'm not sure how this is a big surprise to anyone. He's been telling people he wants to continue on his path to fight inflation no matter what. We still have inflation at 8.5%. So I'm not sure he's totally wrong to do that. But market hates it either way because stocks got ahead of themselves. But I'm here to tell you it's not going to be as bad as the market's pricing in right now because it's not that big a surprise and only stocks are really getting caught offside. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First of all, the volume. I wanted to show you guys, this is the total NYSE volume. This is both on the New York Stock Exchange and all exchanges that trade with NYSE listed names. And look at, this is the average volume that's trading here. And what we're trading right now is well below the moving average. So we're doing all these moves, and we have a really big move today on super light volume so far. And it's been light volume most of August. And I've been saying to you guys, like, this is August. Calm down. Everybody needs to calm down. So summer rallies, I wrote an article, summer rallies happen so fast. Same things with summer sell-offs. The rally got ahead of itself. People thought that everything was going to be amazing. Inflation was going to disappear and the Fed was going to lower rates and we're going to go back to the roaring COVID market, but we're not. But a good sign today with the market selling off like this is that interest rates are not going explosive. So he's hawkish, which means that the bonds are not really caught off sides. The only people really caught right now are really these guys. Stock traders. And that move, hold on, wrong chart. Wrong symbol. That was a fat finger. Check this one. Yeah. NASDAQ. So NASDAQ started doing this. It had this beautiful move in July, started doing this. Then I told you guys, be careful. This happened. And then we started coming up again into this hawkish speech. Everybody knew it was going to be hawkish, and we're surprised somehow. And NASDAQ's getting killed today. Big bar down to the moving average. I think we're in this range though. I'm going to bounce next week and we'll be right back to where we fill the hole, 13,300. That's my bet. Bounce next week. Rate's going to come lower, 10 under 3%. Numbers don't lie, people do. Once the shock wears off, the volume will come back and then we'll start September the way September is going to go. But I think we're going to end the month next week with a strong rebound from today's sell-off. So that's my message to y'all. Don't go nuts. This is a little bit of a short-term overreaction. We're still going to be in a violent bearish tape, so don't go throwing all your money into the stock market every time we rally. Buy complete crash sell-offs like today and sell into big rips up instead of buying into big rips up, and you're going to be just fine, okay? LFG, guys. Have a great weekend.